Hey everyone, welcome back to Infinite Destinations, your go-to channel for the best travel tips and guides. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
The Maldives, a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean, is a dream destination for many travelers seeking sun, sand, and crystal clear waters. With over 1,000 coral islands, this archipelago offers a plethora of amazing places to visit that will leave you in awe of its natural beauty. One of the most popular destinations in the Maldives is the island of Mafushi. This bustling local island is known for its vibrant culture, friendly locals, and stunning beaches. Visitors can enjoy snorkeling in the turquoise waters, exploring the colorful coral reefs, or simply relaxing on the white sandy beaches. For those looking for a more luxurious experience, the island of Veligondu is a must-visit. This private island resort offers overwater bungalows, world-class dining, and a range of water sports activities. Guests can indulge in spa treatments, dine under the stars, or simply unwind on their private deck overlooking the ocean. Another amazing place to visit in the Maldives is the island of Thulustu. This laid-back island is known for its world-class surfing spots, including the famous Coke Surf Camp. Visitors can catch some waves, explore the local markets, or simply soak up the sun on the pristine beaches. If you're a nature lover, don't miss the opportunity to visit the island of Hanafaru Bay. This UNESCO Biosphere Reserve is home to a diverse range of marine life, including manta rays, whale sharks, and sea turtles. Visitors can snorkel or dive in the crystal-clear waters to witness these majestic creatures up close. For a taste of Maldivian culture, head to the island of Mail. This bustling capital city is home to colorful markets, historic mosques, and lively cafes. Visitors can explore the narrow streets, sample local cuisine, or shop for souvenirs at the bustling fish market. If you're looking for a romantic getaway, the island of Barros is the perfect destination. This exclusive resort offers private villas, candlelit dinners on the beach, and sunset cruises on a traditional Doni boat. Guests can relax in the infinity pool, indulge in spa treatments, or simply enjoy the breathtaking views of the ocean. For a truly unique experience, visit the island of Fuvahmulah. This remote island is known for its unusual geography, including freshwater lakes, dense forests, and sandy beaches. Visitors can explore the island on foot or by bike, spotting rare bird species and wildlife along the way. No trip to the Maldives would be complete without a visit to the island of Ba Atoll. This UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve is home to some of the most pristine coral reefs in the world, making it a paradise for snorkelers and divers. Visitors can explore the underwater world, swim with colorful fish, or simply relax on the sandy beaches. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or romance, the Maldives has something for everyone. With its stunning natural beauty, vibrant culture, and luxurious resorts, this tropical paradise is sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, book your ticket, and get ready to explore the amazing places of the Maldives.